Hi, I'm Nancy, your American English coach. Today, I'll take you through 50 everyday questions and answers. Repeat after me. Practice out loud and speak with confidence. Section 1. Food Q&A.
What's your favorite food?
I really love spicy noodles.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yep, I usually have eggs and toast.
Are you hungry?
A little bit. I could go for a snack.
What do you want for lunch?
Maybe a sandwich and some fruit.
Have you tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it, especially salmon rolls.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really. It makes me sweat.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having pasta with garlic bread.
Can you cook?
A little. I can make simple dishes.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Coffee. Every morning.
What snacks do you like?
I like chips, cookies, and fruit.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not too often.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake. It's so good.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, especially mangoes and strawberries.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often eat rice and chicken.
Do you eat out a lot?
Only on weekends. I prefer home-cooked meals.
Have you ever eaten Thai food?
Yes, it's delicious and full of flavor.
Do you drink milk?
Not really. I prefer juice.
What do you eat when you're sick?
Usually soup and toast.
Do you like ice cream?
Of course. Who doesn't?
What do you eat at parties?
Pizza, chips, and cupcakes.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
I try to, especially broccoli and carrots.
Do you like trying new food?
Yeah, I love trying different dishes.
Do you skip breakfast?
Sometimes, when I'm in a rush.
Do you eat dinner late?
Usually around 7 p.m.
What's your comfort food?
Mac and cheese. It reminds me of home.
Section 2. Daily Life Q&A.
What time do you get up?
Around 6:30 a.m.
Do you work or study?
I'm a student right now.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have one older brother.
What do you do on weekends?
I hang out with friends or relax at home.
Do you like your job?
I do. It's busy, but fun.
Do you take the bus?
Sometimes I usually walk.
Do you exercise?
I try to go for a walk every day.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 or 11 p.m.
Do you like mornings?
Not really. I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite thing to do at home?
I love watching movies in bed.
Do you clean your room every day?
Not every day, but I try.
What chores do you do?
I wash dishes and sweep the floor.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a small apartment.
What's your morning routine?
I wash my face, brush my teeth, and make coffee.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you have any pets?
I have a cat. Her name's Luna.
What do you wear at home?
Usually t-shirts and sweatpants.
Do you listen to music while cleaning?
Always. It makes cleaning fun.
Do you watch TV every night?
Not every night, but a few times a week.
Do you go grocery shopping?
Yup, every Sunday morning.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Way too much, honestly.
What do you do when you're bored?
I scroll through social media or read.
Do you like cleaning?
Not really, but I like the result.
Do you drink enough water?
I try. I keep a bottle near me all day.
Do you make your bed?
Yup, first thing in the morning.
Great job, guys! Keep practicing these Q&A every day to speak English naturally and confidently. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your favorite food in English. See you next time!